What is going on YouTube? TJ Swagger here. I am back for another video, and today's video is really special. This time, I finally got the PlayStation 5. I did not expect for me to get it, but I worked so hard to get it, and I really appreciate after all my hard work. I really appreciate getting it. And it's 8K, 4K, HDR, but free disc console, which is it doesn't come with the game. So we're going to unbox this, see how it looks. Alright, so it's just a PlayStation symbol. There's the box, so there it is. Looks really nice. So now let's open it. There's the console itself, there's all the extra things, and there's the box. 2 boxes, so now let's open this one. Apparently that's where the foams are. It's been finally since I ever posted a special video, because you always see me always playing gaming videos. Look at that, I can see the beauty. Okay, hold on really quick. This thing's pretty heavy. There's the front. There's the back side. So this is the console and the wrapping. And I hope you guys like my Grab the Bottle online blanket. So, open this. And this must be... It's hard to do this in one hand when one hand holds the camera. And this is the PlayStation 5 controller. So now this must be the cord to the controller. And it looks like it has 2 separate manuals. This one is the quick starter manual. And this one is the safety guide. The plug to the power to the PlayStation. And this is its stand. So let me get this open. See, it goes to the underpiece of your console. So, anything else in this box? Yep, the cord. So, yep, this is the PlayStation 5. That's just scraps. But, yep, that's the PlayStation 5. So now, I'm going to show you guys at the end. I'm going to skip of putting this all together, because I got to take my PlayStation 3 and put it somewhere else. So, let's just skip to the end that I actually set up everything. Alright, I already got it all plugged in. And I only got this one PlayStation 2 game, because I heard PlayStation 5 plays PlayStation 2, PlayStation 1, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 games. So this is what it looks like when it's plugged in and everything. So now, I hate when my camera doesn't focus. But yep, I am going to enjoy this PlayStation 5.